All right, we put a new switch in. Let's see, this one works. This is an Xforce 1x4 with a sideband delay only. It's not biased for a sideband. Preamp switch works, variable, and it appears to be, I mean, at least to me, it appears to be original Toshiba's in here. The solder flow is really nice and even on all of them. The screw heads look good. They're not butchered up or twisted around. Same thing with the 4 final transistors. I'm going to say, with my opinion, that this is an original. If not, somebody did an extremely good job changing them out. 4 matched, at least the batch is matched on the 4 finals. The driver, it's a different batch, but so what. Other than that, everything looks good. Everything seems to work on it. Not a bad deal. For $350 delivered to my door, we are going to do a power upgrade and get rid of these little tiny 8-gauge wires in here that I don't even really think are true 8-gauge. It's more like true 10-gauge. And we'll stick some real 4-gauge on it. All right, be back in a little while.